Make a great choice today with 2015 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, air conditioning, passenger airbag, side airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.